Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show us how to bind Binance API key fixed IP on ROYALQ. So for security or more security reasons, Binance ROYALQ has advised all their users to ensure they bind a fixed IP from their exchanger to ROYALQ. So without wasting much time, I'm going to show us how to bind these IPs. So all you need to do, go to ROYALQ. I'm going to open it up. How to get to this place? You just come here at the top. You see something like a shout out, then 3 dots. Just tap it, then it will open. You see a lot of announcements. So just go through and see activate API address function. Yeah, so this is it. So all you need to do is see the reminders. Protect your API key. Do not disclose your API key to anyone, so as not to cause loss of assets. So these are the reasons. Protect your ROYALQ and exchange account and password is leaked to others. So ensure you protect your account very well, because once you are hacked, you can't trace anybody. So all you need to do, we're going to copy this Binance APIs. So I'm going to copy it. So this is the entire API we want to copy. Click on copy, then minimize, go to your Binance, go to home. When you get to home, scroll up, you see where they said more. Click on more. This is the same process if you want to create your API for the first time. So I'm going to do a video on how to create your API for the first time. But for the purpose of this training is for those that have API already bound on ROYALQ. So you go to API management. So I'm going to put my login details and complete. So let me pause this video while I complete the process. So guys, we have logged into our API management. So you can see my API already. API key is already there. So I'm going to click edit. You see ROYALQ edit. So I'm going to edit it. Then click this down arrow. It will enlarge it. You see, enable reading, enable spot and margin trading. So that is the only thing permission you need to give the bot. Just those two permissions. Restrict access to trusted IPs only, recommended. So you see, I've already added this IP. I've already added this ROYALQ IP. 1, 4. So what I need to do, I'll just paste the IP here. Once you just paste it, just click here, paste. But because I've already added, I'm not going to paste anyone now. So for the case of you that have not added already, once you click paste, all the IP address will be pasted. You just click confirm. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to put my current IP address. So the one I'm using on my Wi-Fi, I'm going to include it here. So I'm going to click confirm. You see, so my IP has been added to the list of IP address I have already. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. Once you click on save, they'll send you a verification code to your mobile. Then you just impute it. So I'm going to impute it to confirm that I made that changes. So I'll click on submit, automatically to submit. So API success. So it has been edited. So guys, this is how to edit, or this is how to add a fixed IP address on your ROYALQ API management. So thank you guys. So quickly, let me show us how to, if you want to include your personal, you want to add your personal IPs to the whitelist, all you need to do, you can just use this website called HUOBI.net. HUOBI.net. Okay, so just go to HUOBI.net. You can see my IP address. To show you my IP address, this is my IP address. So guys, you can just click on this copy, and you copy your IP and add it if you wish to add your personal IP address to the whitelist. So guys, that is how to bind your API key, fix IP on ROYALQ. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to help us grow, as we are committed to creating more fresh content for you. Click the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload fresh content. So guys, that is that for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now.